people until they start tinting the windshields.
Okay.
Alright, so the way I do this is pretty simple. I'm going to give you an opportunity to take all the window tint off the whole vehicle, or just receive a ticket. It's up to you. Points on your license, just cost and fines. It depends how much it's worth it to you. What's your exemption, vision, and all that. Bottom line is, dude, you can't see out of this car at night. If you're driving at night and it's raining, foggy, you can't. This thing's a space shuttle. You know that. I mean, everyone has a hard time seeing these cars. We had a guy the other day making a left turn on this road, had his cars tinted out like this. Someone was walking across the street, they hit the pedestrian so they couldn't see him through the window tint at night.
Okay.
So it's a safety issue. When do you plan on getting your medical thing?
Sorry.
I don't take visa. Alright, this will do. How long is it going to take you to get your exemption thing? Okay, I'll take your word for it. Just try to work on getting that paper then. Take care, alright?